Welcome to my channel. My name is Make Money, and I'm here to help you make money online. I know what you're thinking. How can I make money online? I have no skills or experience. Well, you're in luck. In this channel, I will share tips, tricks, and strategies to make money online, even if you are a beginner. I will cover different topics, including affiliate marketing, earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services; freelancing, offer your services to clients online; blogging, create a blog and monetize it through advertising or affiliate marketing; e-commerce, selling products or services over the internet; YouTube, create your own YouTube channel and monetize it. Use powerful images and engaging content to capture your audience's attention. Asterisk, speak clearly and concisely, and avoid using jargon or technical terms that your audience may not understand. Be yourself, and let your personality shine. Be consistent with your content and upload new videos regularly. By following these tips, you can create a YouTube channel that is informative and engaging. Ideas for making money from the internet. Here are some ideas for making money online. Create a blog or website. This is a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world, and you can also monetize your blog through advertising or affiliate marketing. Create and sell digital products. This may include ebooks, courses, or software. Use your skills to freelance. If you have a skill you are good at, you can offer your services to clients online. Start an online business. This can be anything from an e-commerce store to a service-based business. Making money online is possible for anyone, regardless of their skills or experience. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. To learn more about how to make money online, subscribe to my channel and watch my latest videos.